Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 1st November 2024. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of the high liquidity zones. And this is also end of the month and a new month is started. So let us also evaluate the overall statistics of the month October. Even before that, all of you please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, you please click on the tab posts. Some of you might be seeing the tab community. Click on the tab. Then you get access to our free training course. Here you have a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So in the video description, please look for our Telegram channel link and join at our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other very important updates we will be providing at our Telegram channel. Okay, now let's get into the analysis discussion. First, we will look into the statistics, but before that, all of you please understand, yesterday we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high liquidity zones from daily and 75 minutes time frames. And none of the zones are executed today. No zones are executed because today is a special trading day and only 1 hour trading day in this Muhurat trading. You can't expect any institutional activity. So that is the reason why no trades are executed. And what about October statistics? October total, we identified 54 high liquidity zones. In that 54, we got 45 successful trades. And the stopped out trades are 9. And the total success rate is 83%. Because we are expecting more than 80% success rate for our high liquidity zones. And during this month, the average intraday ROI is also improved compared to the past 2 months. Because the last 2 months, the momentum is not good in the market. But almost close to our average intraday ROI we reached. Our average intraday ROI for the last 1 year is almost 6%. So this month we got 5.7% ROI. It is very close to our average daily intraday ROI. But one interesting thing is, look into the market during this month. This entire October month, market was falling down. This is, see here, on 30th September, the fall started. And next, 1st October, see continuation to this. There was small correction in this area and then again, the fall continued. When markets are falling, what will happen? Mostly all our long trades will be stopped out. Do you agree? Yes. And the short trades will be executed during the correction. Correction is price movement against the primary trend for a small period of time due to profit booking or any other reasons also. But interestingly, see our statistics. I am opening the Excel sheet. See, all these are all October month trades. Anyway, every day I am showing you this list, but today let us summarize. See, when is 1st October? This is the 1st October. And total number of trades, already I shown you, but once again, 54, total 54 stocks, we got the trades. Out of 54, 9 are stopped out, remaining all are successful trades. See, average intraday ROE is 5.73%. 5.73%. So that is what I mentioned in the Excel sheet. And also we have discussed in October month market is falling down. Mostly long trades will be stopped out. Many times we get losses from our long trades and maybe we get huge success for short trades. This is our belief, but that is not true for high liquidity zones point of view. During this month, maximum trades executed during this month are long trades, not the short trades. Long trades gave a huge success ratio for us. Let me show you how many long trades are executed. See here, you will get a fair idea. Many of these trades are long, here few short trades, and again long, short, see long, short, long, again short trades, and long trades, again short trades, again all these are all long trades, one short trade in between, long, again one short trade and long, short, and all these recent trades also long trades. So total how many long trades are there? Let me add a filter, that way you will get clarity. So in this filter, I am adding only long trades. Now let's check how many long trades are there. Why short has come? Something wrong. Something wrong with this Excel sheet. Yeah, I got it. Because of these empty columns, let me delete temporarily. We should not keep any empty columns when you are using Excel filters. Because July month I am yet to add the statistics, because July month I was inactive. I was not active. You know the story, because I thought of closing the channel in the month of July. That's why I was not active on our channel. So now I have to fill the data, July data, but I'm not finding time. Okay, now let me add the filter. Okay, now you see you got all the long trades. We have to start from 1st October. See, this is 1st October. From 1st October, let us check how many. So total we got 31 long trades. Out of 52, we got 31. Out of 54, not 52. Sorry for my mistake. Out of 54, we got 31 long trades and 23 short trades. In a bearish market, because in the entire month October, Nifty is bearish. In the bearish market, we got maximum success from the long trades. 31 long trades are executed during this month. And remaining 23 are short trades. Why I am focusing on this point? Just to make you understand the power of the high liquidity zones. Irrespective of the market, whether the market is up or market is down, our high liquidity zones are working well. This is one classic example. You are clearly seeing the chart. The whole market was crashed during the month October. Only few days between 8th October and 4th October, market moved in a specific range, in a range bound within this area. After that again, crash continued. In this kind of situation, nobody would like to buy their stocks. The general feeling of the public. But that is not the case with the high liquidity zones. See, this is the success factor. 31 long trades during the month October when market is crashing down. And what kind of profits they have given? See here. 6.7%, 6.4%, 7.2, 7.9 ROAs. Of course, there are few ROAs are less, but majority. See here, 15.2% ROA, On 23rd October. 23rd October is this is 23rd October. On this day also market opened, moved up, and again after that it came down. And 11.8% ROI. This is on 18th October. Okay, this is 18th October, market moved up. Maybe that could be the reason, you may say. This is again 11.88% on 14th October. This is 14th October, market here again moved up a little. Maybe that could be the reason, you may say. 4th October, 11.5%. See, this is 4th October. See how market crashed on this day. At some point it moved up and then fallen down. Our average ROA could have been much better. There are few stocks, they gave very less ROA, 2.3. They might have dragged our overall percentage, 2.3, 3.2, 2.2 ROA and 2.6 ROA. Few stocks we got. They dragged our overall percentage to 5.7. Otherwise, if those trades would not have happened, probably this month we might be having close to 7% ROA. Because many stocks gave very good ROA during this month. Even I also, when I interacted with some of our members, I also told them, this month the overall momentum is very good. Even few days back in one of the HLQ analysis video also, I remember I told the same point. So whoever traded during this month, whoever traded high liquidity zones during this month, probably they would have got a very good profits during this month. It's a very lucky day for the people who traded during this month, because their profits would have been very great profits. Who sincerely traded during this month. See, all these profits are very good profits. That's not the case in the month of earlier month. Earlier month we got a very low momentum. We got profits. But profit margins are very less. Previous month, August month, June month, July I didn't monitor the market. I was busy in the month of July and also didn't show any interest on our channel in the month of July. So that's why I have to backtrack all the profits given by high liquidity zones, and I need to fill in our Excel sheet. Because of July month, I am not able to publish our Excel sheet in the group because it is having incomplete data. But anyway, I am showing you here all the statistics for the month wise. Each month, on the first day I am telling you the details. So this is one interesting observation I made. On a bearish month, we got good profits from the long trades. Okay, this is about the statistics of our October high liquidity zones. When it comes to the high liquidity zones, yesterday's point of view, yesterday end of the day report, we identified 5 high liquidity zones, and they are from daily and 75 minutes. First one is Birla Soft is a daily high liquidity zone. How I fine-tuned, let me show you. In the 75 minutes time frame, see, we have a drop, 4 base candles and a rally candle. This is the 75 minute zone. This again I fine-tuned with the 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes identified rally, 3 base candles, and this is the failed ERC candle. See here, this failed ERC candle I am considering as a rally candle. Why? Because dynamic view. At some point of time, market went down and then started moving up again. Finally, it moved up. So that's why I considered. Rare scenarios we consider these kind of scenarios. I mean, in rare scenarios, we get such kind of scenarios. It's not that I consider. These kind of scenarios will exist in rare scenarios. In such kind of scenarios, failed ERC you can accept as a leg out. If this small body is closed inside the zone, you cannot accept, even though it is a failed ERC. Even though if this body is at the bottom, you cannot accept. Finally, in the failed ERC, the body should go out of the zone. That is what happened here. It doesn't matter the color is red color or green color. The reason is the body we ignore in the failed ERC candles. Only we look into the price direction. Based on that, we take a decision. Our software is also having intelligence to identify such kind of zones. Recently, our software identified a high liquidity zone based on the failed ERC candle. Okay, this is the fine-tuned 15-minute zone. And also here, a fine-tuned 15-minute zone is also there. We have a rally, 3 base candles and a rally. And this fine-tuned is at the distal line. This is near the proximal line, but in the middle of the zone. But this is overlapped at the distal line. That is the point you should observe. And next 5 minutes time frame, we fine-tune. Almost 1 year back, this zone was created on 31st October. Okay, anyway, here we have a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. We have a drop, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles. Again, you have a failed ERC candle. But next candle, again, it picked up the orders from this zone, the following candle. Whether to consider or not, it's because the risk is there. At least go to type 3 proximal entry. Type 3 also just touched the zone. That's why quite risky in planning a trade. It may work if it is a high liquidity. But otherwise, type 3 also it is tested. What about this fine-tuned zone? Here we have a rally candle, 1, 2, 3 base candles, again a rally candle. And from this zone it picked up the orders, moved up, again picked up the orders, moved up. So this is the zone, lower time frame zone as an horizon to the higher time frame zone. This entire 75-minute zone, this is acting as an horizon. Probably in this area you have a strong order flow. So this is about Birlasoft. Next one is Punjab National Bank. This is also a daily high liquidity zone. So here you have a drop candle, you have 3 base candles, and then you have a rally candle. Drop base rally. This drop base rally again fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Here you have ERC candle. This is a failed ERC candle. Maybe you can consider as a rally because prices were moving at some point of time at the time of closing. And 2 base candles and again a rally candle. You may ask a question here, drop base rally you can draw. Why I didn't draw? This is the horizon. From here again it picked up the orders and started moving up. So that is the reason why I am not interested on this area. That's why here the real challenge is identifying the order flow. You cannot draw the zones just like that. Many times if you draw zones in this area, they may be violated many times. So this is the 75 minutes. And moreover, this is the area is already, see here in this candle, easily it took off all the trades. If you would have drawn the zone earlier, that would have been violated in this candle. That's why finding the real order flows are real challenging. Slowly you will understand, those people who are new, slowly from my videos, you will be learning how I am drawing the zones. And next, this 75 is fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. And this is quite challenging. In this area, the fine tuning is, see here, all these candles, the structures are not good here, but they picked up the orders and started moving. So definitely there could be a zone available before this. Exactly that is the way I identified the zone. See how I am able to identify these zones. Anyway, today the zone is not tested. But I already fine-tuned this zone yesterday after the report. Same thing I am showing you. So what basis, how I am able to draw these zones? When I am able to draw, you will also be in a position to draw. Only thing is, you need to add some experience to your existing knowledge. That's it. If you follow my everyday HLQ analysis videos, exactly you will be able to understand my mindset. That way in future you will also be able to draw the zones. Because some of our members are exactly, they are drawing the zones the way how I am drawing the zones. So here I have drawn a 15-minute zone. A rally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and a rally. This is the 15-minute zone. This 15-minute zone is the origin for this entire daily high liquidity demand zone. And within this area again a fine-tuned 5-minute zone is there, and that is the real origin. Because from that area it picked up the orders. Let's look into that 5-minute zone, exact 5-minute zone here. So here you have a drop, base, rally. It picked up the orders and see the move. After that, when they picked up the orders, at the time of zone creation again, see, this is the place zone is created. Here from this area it picked up the orders twice. This is the, but before the zone, here it picked up the orders. This is the again next time, this is again next time. That means this 5-minute zone is working like a high liquidity zone because multiplicity testing. Why it become a high liquidity zone? Because it is this lower time frame zone as an origin for this entire daily zone, daily high liquidity zone. The real order flow institutions kept in this area. Our real challenge is finding those areas. Those areas we get a lot of money. When our prices enter, it gives a very big move. See here, the prices entered and see the big move, how much it has given from here to here. Next time prices enter into this zone but not up to this 5-minute zone as an origin. Did they enter into that area again? Yes. Again they entered into the area in the recent time once. See here. Exactly from that fine-tuned 5 minutes area. When this happened on Wednesday 23rd October. It reached this fine-tuned 5-minute zone. This 5-minute zone as an origin to this entire high liquidity zone. And not only this 5-minute zone as an origin, it is also acting as a high liquidity zone, supporting multiple times from this area. See the rejection and see the movement, how much move it has given from here to here. So this is around 92 rupees, 50 paisa, say close to. And here it went up to 100 rupees. So nearly 8 rupees move it has given. Within how many days? This happened on 23rd October. And here up to the maximum it reached on 24th October. 23rd and 24th, within next day, it gave a very good profit. Nearly 10% profit on the cash segment. If it is F&O, 5 times more. You would have got 50% ROI from here to here in just 2 days. That is how the lower time frame zone as an origin to the higher time frame will work. Okay, and recently here again a new zone was created. Let me go to the 75 minutes time frame first. So here you have a drop, you have a base and you have a rally. And within that area you have a 15-minute zone will be available. We have a rally, 2 base candles and again a rally candle. And within that you might be having a 5-minute zone. So here rally, 2 base candles and a rally, but I adjusted up to this fine-tuned area. Type 3 proximal entry we have taken. See here, I have drawn only type 3 proximal entry. This is how I plan my trade. Prices enter into this area only, I plan the trade. One advantage, risk will be minimized, and another thing is it is exactly within this fine-tuned area of 15 minutes time frame and 75 minutes time frame zone. Further also you can reduce up to this 75 minute zone, but the risk is very, very small here. There are higher chances prices touch the type 3 and again they may move. That possibility is there. So that's why little above the zone we are planning our trade. But anyway, today prices did not enter into this area. Okay, this is about Punjab National Bank, and next one is Asian Paints. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity zone. It is a supply zone. Sorry, not 75. Asian Paints also daily. It is a daily zone. Sorry, this is a supply zone. We have a drop, base, drop. And in this area, I fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Here drop, base, drop identified here. And within this again 15 minutes time frame, we have a zones here, newly created zones within this area. We have a rally, base, drop. And testing multiple times in this zone. Maybe the fine-tuned zone could be a high liquidity zone. So going to the 5 minutes time frame. In the 5 minutes time frame, you see here you have a rally, base, drop. Again picked up the orders, came up, down. Again picked up the orders, came near to the zone, almost it is near to the zone. Again here and again came down. Recently also again prices came and just touched and came down. See here, again it is created a rally, 2 base candles and a drop here. That is what happened. LOTL zones will be created mostly if this is a high liquidity zone. So definitely we can plan a trade in this area. But those who don't want to take a trade because it is tested multiple times, if you feel like that, you can ignore. But those who wants to take risk, definitely you can try again next time also. But anyway, today prices didn't enter into this area. Next one is Navin Fluorine. Navin Fluorine is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. We have a drop, base, rally. Drop, base, rally. And here again fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. Here you have a 15 minute zone, drop, base, rally. This is the 15 minute zone. And within this area, we have a lower time frame zone as an horizon. Actually here a lower time frame zone as an horizon to higher time frame zone is available. Something is wrong here. Let me go to daily. Is any dividend adjustment happened? This is on 7th November, not today. 15 minutes. Failed ERC, 1, 2, 3, 4, rally. This is a 15 minute zone. Sorry for my mistake. Something I messed up in my analysis. So this is the 15 minute zone as an horizon for this. Let me remove this 15 minute zone. So this 15 minute zone is the horizon to this 75 minutes high liquidity zone. So this 15 minutes we need to fine tune with 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Exactly, this is the one. This is the demand zone. See here, rally, 2 base candles and a rally and follow through. This is the actual origin. 5-minute zone is the origin. Already this origin is tested once here. And now again from this origin it picked up the orders. And this entire high liquidity zone is created. And from this origin again recently it tested. When on 31st yesterday, and see the move. Even today. Yesterday this origin is tested. The 5-minute zone as an origin to this entire high liquidity zone. That is the area the real order flow is there. See, the 15-minute zone is a big zone. You can't handle this entire risk. But this 5-minute zone is the origin. It is already tested once here. This is the second time it is tested. Second time when it tested, the zone was created, entire 75 minutes high liquidity zone. Third time prices came very close to this, very, very close. Again moved up. Next recently prices reached, moved up and again came, again reached and again moved very sharply. So this 5-minute zone. But one day it has to be violated. You have to accept the fact. But until then you get lot of profits. Those who wants to trade only 5-minute zone as a horizon to higher time frame zones, they can also plan your trades only on such kind of trades. But we mixed this with high liquidity zones because 5-minute zone as an horizon to high liquidity zones, their success rate is much higher. Okay, next one is Ultratech Cement. But anyway, this Navin Fluorine we didn't get a trade today. Next Ultratech Cement is again a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. Here you have a drop candle, you have sorry. Something messed up. Yeah, sorry, not this one. That is what I was wondering, where is the leg? This is the one. Drop, base, rally. See, sometime before I told you, our software also identified failed ERC candle as, actually I was talking about this stuff. Yesterday only our software generated. See, this is a drop candle, this is a base candle, and this is a failed ERC candle. Our software recognized this failed ERC candle as a leg out. Because at some point of time prices reached here, it was a big red candle. Take from that point of time, again prices were rallying, and it is a rally candle. By the time, at the time of closing the candle, it is having a very small body, but see, it is having a very big wick, and this entire body moved out of the zone. It need not be entire body. The part of the body also should move out of the zone. Finally, the closing of this candle should be away from the zone. In such kind of scenarios, you can identify high liquidity zones. I mean, not high liquidity. You can identify these zones, demand and supply zones, with failed ERC candle as a leg out. But the biggest problem is sometimes the risk will be very big. See here, the risk is very big. That's why we need to fine tune these zones. And moreover, this entire wick came from this zone. Probably in this area, some order flows will be there near this wick. We will look into that. But before that, how I fine tune this zone? Go to the 15 minutes time frame. Here I have a rally, base, rally is there. Rally, base, rally. Again this rally, base, rally 15 minute zone fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. Look here in the 5 minutes time frame, we have a rally, 2 base candles and rally. After that, this zone is tested. Because it is a tested zone, taking trade next time might be quite risky. If it is a high liquidity zone, it works even second time or third time. Our software, we need to take the help of our software to confirm this is a high liquidity zone or a normal zone. But it is a tested zone as per our supply demand zone concepts at the fine tuned zone level. But here you have, see here, we have a rally, you have 2 base candles and then a rally candle. Rally base rally. This rally base rally is the 5-minute zone as an horizon to this entire 75 minutes high liquidity zone. See, the 75 minutes high liquidity zone picked up the orders from the zone and see the move. It's a very big move. Sharply prices moved. In this area, there is a strong institutional order flow is available. Next time also exactly in this area prices came. Again it created drop base rally. That means in this area order flow, a new order flow institutions might have added. That's why immediately the drop base rally prices were started moving up. Definitely next time you can plan a trade. But before that it has to be violated. It is a tested zone. I mean this 5 minutes fine-tuned zone is a tested zone. But anyway, today we didn't get any trade opportunities. But the point you should understand the effectiveness of these zones, how well they are working. Lesson 22, I have explained this concept very clearly. Lower time frame zone as an horizon. That's why I am expecting everybody should learn those lesson 22 concepts in a perfect manner. This is a new concept I developed. I have identified this concept. Lower time frame zone as an horizon to the higher time frame zone and seen a huge success rate for this concept. So learn carefully. So this is about the high liquidity zones. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next lesson. Thank you.